Hello guys, a day in a life as an HM student. Today, I will share my reaction about Thomas Sessions Mise en Place and also my insights. While watching the video, I am very curious and serious. In the bar, it is very important to prepare all the necessary things like fruits for the garnish. According to Thomas Sessions Mise en Place, we must prepare fruits. Choose quality fruits. That's very important that we must choose quality fruits. We must wash our hands frequently. It is very important that we must wash our hands to avoid germs. Inspect the fruits. Why we need to inspect fruits? For example, maybe the fruits has stickers, has plastics that must be removed. Or maybe there are spots or something. And after that, wash the fruits gently. Very important that we must wash the fruits in order to avoid germs, and also to be the fruits be fresh and clean, because wala ta kahibaw nga kana nga fruits nga imong gipalit daghan naman nagawid-hawid niya mga kamot ba sa mga tao kay mga mugo. So it is very important that we must wash the fruits gently para dili sad maguba ang fruits. Mise en place in a garnishing bar ensures efficiency. Why? Because by organizing ingredients for quick and smooth drink preparation, it helps maintain consistency in cocktail presentation para dili na ta maglisod, ensuring each drink looks professional and appealing. It is very important that our drinks looks professional and appealing para si customer malipay pod, then magbalik-balik na siya. Very important. Also, proper setup also promotes hygiene and food safety, preventing contamination and keeping garnishes fresh. And by pre-portioning ingredients, bars can reduce waste and manage inventory more effectively. Very important. Overall, a well-prepared garnishing station enhances both bartender workflow and customer experience. That's all, and thank you for listening about my reaction and insights regarding to Thomas Sessions Mise en Place garnishing. See you on the next video. Bye!